everybody once again, and I just had an idea that I'm gonna do a little cruising around today and just do a video on a couple little interesting places that I've found to kind of relax or eat. One of them's really very nice, and I'm gonna take a shower here, get dressed, and take everybody along on a little travel into the city in Cabanatuan city in a district called Kapitan Pepe. And the two little places I found here that I like, because I'm always looking for a bar, and I actually found one. I'm gonna go to the smaller one first and the really nice one second. So let's see how that works. All right, so come along on this journey. So I'm all ready for this little journey I'm gonna go on, and about to fire up the truck, take off, and go show you guys a couple places in the city. So opening up this gate halfway so I can back out and take everybody along on this journey. So let's go. All right, everyone, I have made it to a part of town, if I can get out of the truck. This is an area called Kapitan Pepe. Let me show you. It's a very busy place. You can find lots of little places to eat here, and that's mostly all kind of little eateries, starting with a 7-Eleven. This is the little spot I'm going to go to. But all down the street in this neighborhood, lots of places to just eat, provide you with a little entertainment. So I'm gonna do a short little video and stop in here, visit the nice people, so we'll check back in. All right, we're in the place. You can see, put the name behind me there on the board. Gotobes. Gotobes. That's how they say it. Small little place, has lots of drinks. So you can have water, soda, your favorite Red Horse or Empador, light and double light, and a lot of food. And check out the prices. Most of that is like from 40 cents in US terms up to maybe $4. It's not bad for a meal. So you can eat. I'm just gonna try out. And the folks here are very nice. Excellent cook. Shy. And also, what Filipino place wouldn't be complete with, you can get karaoke here in this little kubo, bathrooms right there. So it's very simple. See, fence made out of bamboo. So you can reserve this or get it for like a little party, but I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit, have a little refreshment because it is warm, which always is. San Miguel Pilsner. So that's the first place on our stop. And this one is called Gotobes. So right here in Kapitan Pepe. It gets to be a busy little spot, but it's peaceful to just sit down. You know, there's not a lot of people, but folks usually stop in and order a little bite to eat, something to drink, and continue on their way. That is Gotobes. And we'll take off here in a couple minutes and go to the next place. All right, thank you for joining me. So back again, and we have made it to our next stop, which is called Naps and Grill Resto Bar. I'm gonna go out and take a few pictures of this place, but it's really nice inside. It's owned by a Filipino American. So I was wondering what Naps meant, but I think his first name is Napoleon. So Naps and Grill. I thought you could take a nap there, but anyway, it's a very nice place inside. So let me turn the truck off and do a little video on the outside, and of course I'm asked permission. Can I do a video on the inside? I'm sure they're gonna say yes, but you should always ask. Be polite. So let me turn this off. Grab my bag. I'm gonna pause this video to do a little bit on the outside before going inside. So bear with me. All right, back in again. All parked, safe and sound. Make sure I lock the truck up here. Okay. This is what the outside looks like. And we're still in Kapitan Pepe, not too far from the first place that we stopped. I had never been in this part. My nephew actually told me about it. So I used Google Maps to actually get here. So this is the bar, restaurant. Actually very nice. One of the nicest places that I've been in around here. So I take it must be other hidden places as well like this. So we're gonna take a little pause and go inside and ask for permission to film. So hang in there, I'll be back. All right, I'm in, and this is what it's like. The guy here was so nice to turn the music off so I don't get a copyright strike. But there's not a lot of people here right now. But the place is very beautiful. And you gotta look at the fully stocked bar. All kind of stuff. And this guy here knows how to make a lot of drinks. If you have a big crowd, they got a room here that'll seat 40, 50. They got another room back there that would seat, I don't know, 20, 30. And maybe places outside. And entertainment for a band. So a very nice place. You should come by and visit. And I'm gonna stop so they can continue on with their entertainment so I don't disturb them again. So, thank you all for joining me. And remember, this is Naps and Grill Resto Bar in Cabanatuan, Kapitan Pepe. Bye now.